Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by measuring and cutting. This sets success. Measure the spine and both covers, then add 10–20% extra to overlap. That prevents gaps. Clean the book surface with a lint-free cloth and isopropyl 70% to remove oils and make sure it is fully dry. Cut the film straight, leaving a 1/2-inch margin all around so you can wrap edges. Once done, align the film centered on the front cover and peel a small corner of the backing to anchor the position. This gives you control before full application. Now you apply the film progressively rather than ripping the backing off at once. Peel 2–3 inches and press that section down so dust can't sneak in. Use a soft squeegee at a 45 degrees angle and stroke outward toward the edges to push air and any moisture out. Repeat with overlapping passes. If the book has rounded corners, gently mold the film and wrap with about 1/4 inch overlap on the inside flap. Make sure to keep steady pressure. This prevents bubbles and a wrinkled finish. Finish by trimming the excess film with a sharp blade. Hold the blade parallel to edges for a clean cut and avoid nicking the book. Seal folded edges by pressing firmly with the squeegee. If corners lift, heat gently with a hairdryer on low to relax the film, then press down. Do not overheat. If you still see small bubbles, pierce them with a tiny needle and re-squeegee outward to the nearest edge. This releases trapped air and gives a professional, flat finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.